Hi everyone, this time for the first time I will show you amazing watches here in one of the most famous shops in Antalya. You can see many replica watches here with high quality and good prices. We have two different qualities, premium quality and super clone. I will show you every details so closely. This is the third time that we are here in Antalya in this shop. It's first time we will show you especially these watches so close. I'm 100% sure that we will have amazing feedback for the watches also. So I will put all of the details about the contacts down below. You can contact them directly. They will have free shipping all around the world without any problem. Just call them before you arrive here in Antalya. They will arrange free transfer for you.
Hello, my name is Ibrahim. Welcome again, White Abi.
Thank you so much for having us to show the premium high quality watches in your shop.
Yeah, I want to explain. We have a premium quality and super clone. Same the original working, same the original design, same the original size, and same the original centimetre, millimetre. All product is here premium quality and super clone, and not all product mine here. We have stock also. I want to start.
This is Rolex.
Submarine. Yeah, submarine. This is super clone. Everything is working. It's original. Looks really nice. I have here mine. Yacht
Your
Master.
hand,
Yeah.
okay.
Working is perfect. Automatic. When they walking, it's starting. Waterproof also super clone.
How is the guarantee of this watch?
This watch we are giving 1 year, 2 years. They don't need to think. We are giving guarantee. When they come back to country, if you have problem, they can text me and we are sending new one. But this is not impossible. Not possible because I believe my quality. But if they buy, just this one don't have guarantee. If they fault and they put some, I
Yeah.
can't give guarantee.
Yeah, it's normal.
But normally, because this is they coming here first time, I giving guarantee, because they don't know here another language, another people, another country. I giving guarantee, of course. Then when they coming here, when they buy, I giving guarantee when they come back also. And we have also free transfer. All Antalya place, Antalya, Belek, Kundu, Manavgat, Alanya, Beldibi, all place Antalya we have free transfer service.
For customers.
Yeah, coming and back also hotel. And for your customers, White Abi, we have more discounts. If I sell normally here watches 450 euro, for your customers 200, 250 euro starting. And
Good
for
discount, good news. Thank you so much.
for your customers.
Don't forget to say my channel name for extra discount.
Yeah, when they coming, they just we are coming to YouTube White Abi. After we have discount rate.
Mr. Ibrahim, how the customer can contact you and connect with you
Yeah,
online?
They can contact WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. We want to make also sometime company for Instagram. They can follow there, and WhatsApp they can contact me, and we can make also for shipping video call. I can show like that. Telegram also we can make video call, and Telegram I have site. Yeah, I can explain there, and they can follow me Instagram, Telegram, and WhatsApp.
Okay, we will put here the Instagram address, also Telegram,
Can you
every
put my hand?
details. Yeah, I will show
Yeah.
here on
This
your
is
hand.
my Instagram. This is my WhatsApp.
Follow them on Instagram also, especially because they have promotion sometimes.
Yeah, we sometimes we want to make company.
Okay, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
How many models, how many brands do you have in your watches?
Yeah, I have Rolex, Hublot, Breitling, and Patek Philippe,
Famous
and
brands.
Cartier. Yeah, famous brands. I have also little bit different brands, but famous Rolex, Hublot, Cartier, Patek Philippe. I have so many Breitling, so many model Omega. This is Sea Driver. This is also Super Clone, same the original working. And my all products here, I try. We have makina. We are testing same the original working.
You test bir matching.
Minute, saniye, same the original working. Second also, because some shopping selling, they telling same the original, but 1 month later or 2 weeks later, 5 minutes later, 5 minutes before. Yani like that. Mesela time now 12 o'clock, but watch showing 11:30 like that. But my watches same the original working, same the original. Everything is super cool.
You know, finding the high quality watches in Turkey, normally it's not easy.
Yeah.
For me also.
And they can't give guarantee, but I giving guarantee because I believe in my product. Yeah. Because watches so many quality, and customers they want the guarantee. I giving guarantee, no problem.
Also, we have different colorful models here.
Here have Yachtmaster and Submarine. I can show.
Which one is the most famous one?
Abi, which
In the-
product I
in
put
this-
here? The color it's changing, but Yachtmaster most popular one.
Black and green one. Is it the most seller?
Yeah. Rolex Yachtmaster, they just and Submarine. Really, we are selling so many. I have here. This is special model.
Looks so beautiful.
If you want, you can show close. They can see all color we have, all brands. And I have here Yachtmaster rubber. It's closing.
I can see this year you have so many different models and completely changed.
Yeah.
This section completely changed.
I have also stock also have. I have
Is it leather?
this is rubber. Kauchuk, not
Okay.
leather. We are saying kauchuk. Same the original. Leather one also have. So this is leather one. Classic one.
Classic brown, beautiful leather.
High quality leather. Yeah, same the original. So. And we have here Omega and Brightening. I have new collection also. So this is suede leather.
Do you have also for women's or just for men?
Yeah. After I show you also. I have for women and for men.
Okay, because for my business trip, I have to take one of these bags
Yeah.
completely. How about my wife, for example?
Yes, sure. Thanks for watching me. I don't want you are thinking quality because we have a guarantee. When you are coming here, when you are want the shipping, we have guarantee. You can, and when you want the shipping, you can call video also. I can show you everything. Because watches so many quality have so important, so hard to find believe quality, and we are giving guarantee also for shipping, for everything. We are waiting in my shop when you are visit in Antalya.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome, Vahit abi.
Don't forget to say my channel name
Yeah.
for extra discount.
Yeah, sure.
Mr. Ibrahim will help you always about the quality, about the guarantee, and about the shipping.
Sure. I don't want they forget. When they coming here, now I explaining, but when they coming here, I don't explain. They can see my quality, they can understand me.
Yeah, they can see so close
Yeah,
the quality of the products, and they will feel.
yeah.
Thank you so much
You are welcome.
for having us. See you later. Bye.
See you later.